Hey guys, and welcome back to another food review. But this is in the afternoon. It is 15 minutes past 1 or 1:15 p.m. So should I say? And yes, so I'm having a burger and some chicken wings from the Burger Junction, which is the premier outlet for burgers. And I must say, their chicken wings, their calamari rings, their onion rings, and their nachos are all pretty top notch as well. So I have done the review for this before. For the burger, I'm not so sure. I have to check the channel, but this is the double cheeseburger with, I've added bacon. As you can see, some bacon, yum yum yummy, and fried egg. That'll be my meal for the day. And let's try the barbecued chicken wings first. So that's look and smelling so awesome. It's still very, very hot. Okay, not very, very hot, but yeah, still pretty warm. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. That's honey barbecue sauce. But the honey is it's very faint. It's got a slight sweetness to it. Delicious. They make such good, awesome chicken wings. And I think they're baked. Because I don't get that fried feeling. It's not too oil. I guess so. Well, it's baked. Okay, we'll put this here. And we're going to go on to the double cheeseburger with bacon and fried eggs. Oh boy. And a fried egg, sorry. Ooh, it's going to be difficult to put my mouth around it. That's what she said. And yeah, only managed to get a little bit of bun and some bacon. I'll try this side. Their burgers are definitely a notch above anything else you can get in the city of Cochin. And they've also been voted as one of the best burger joints in all of Asia. So hats off to them. Of course, I keep saying that. An amazing place. They've got a couple of outlets, I think maybe 3. I usually buy from one particular place, which is closer to me. And there's one that's close to my office as well. Okay. 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. Can't ask for much more. Thank you guys. Bye bye.